Will you push the button?
You will attend Hogwarts and be a very talented wizard, but you will never be able to use a phone or the internet ever again. Will you push the button? You will have a bank card that'll let you withdraw unlimited amount of money, but it takes money from the poor. Will you push the button? You can switch the lights on and off, but you will be blind in 1 minute after every time you used it. Will you push the button? You will be able to read other people's minds, but they will also be able to read yours. Will you push the button?